Hi, this is Jennifer from the Center for Academic Success. Today we're going to walk through how to locate your advising PIN number, which you will need in order to register for classes. You will want to start with going to My UWF. That's going to be my.uwf.edu. Once you've logged in, you will use the search bar to search for the registration folder. If you haven't already starred the folder, you will want to star it so that next time you'll be able to find it in your favorites easier. Go ahead and open the folder. Now this folder contains everything that you need in order to register for classes. Today's video though will focus on finding your PIN number. You will now open Advising Status to locate that. Here, if you are looking at your advising status, if there is a green box, it means your PIN has been released for that semester, and your PIN number can be found in the lower right-hand corner. Each semester will have a different PIN number. In this case, the PIN is for Fall 2020. If I want to view my summer PIN, from the drop-down menu, I will select Summer 2020. I see that it is green, it has also been released, and in the lower right hand side we'll see the PIN number there. This is the PIN that you will enter on the registration screens when it asks for an alternate PIN number. You will want to write this number down for each semester so you are prepared to add classes. If you see a red box instead of a green box, it means that your PIN has not yet been released for that semester. You must meet with your academic advisor to create an appropriate degree plan. If you're not sure how to do that, please see the message down below where it walks you through how to make an appointment with your academic advisor through Navigate.